Your Highness, we will discuss the location of your hidden rebel base. Her resistance to the Mind Probe is considerable. It'll be some time before we can extract any information from her. What do you mean?